Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is August 8th, 2026. Thinking about how to buy Twitch followers in 2026 but not sure which website you can trust? You're not alone. There are hundreds of services online, and while many promise fast growth, not all of them offer the same quality, transparency, or support. So before you place any order, here are 7 quality and safety checks every streamer should know. Let's jump right in. Next. Number 1, no password required. A trusted service should only ask for your Twitch username. You should never be asked to enter your Twitch password because follower delivery doesn't require access to your account. If a website asks for your password, that's a major red flag. Next, number 2, account quality. Not all Twitch followers are the same. Look for providers that deliver genuine-looking, properly established accounts with realistic usernames and profile photos. Higher quality accounts usually create a much more natural-looking follower list. Next, number 3, delivery control. A good provider should let you choose instant or gradual delivery. Instant gives quick social proof. Gradual looks more natural and safer for your account. Having both options gives you flexibility, and the best providers offer real, non-drop followers that stay permanent. Next. Number 4, refill or replacement policy. Before placing an order, always check what happens if some followers drop later. Does the provider offer a refill period? Do they replace lost followers? Reading this policy before buying can save you problems later. Next. Number 5, order tracking dashboard. A professional service should give you access to an order dashboard. You should be able to monitor your order status, check delivery progress, and know exactly what's happening without contacting support. That extra transparency builds confidence. Next, number 6, customer support. Things don't always go as planned. That's why responsive customer support is important. Whether you have a payment question, a delivery issue, or simply need help, you should be able to speak with a real human support team quickly. Next, number 7, transparent pricing and services. Finally, make sure everything is clearly explained. You should know exactly how many Twitch followers you're buying, what the package includes, how delivery works, and what you're actually paying for. Transparent pricing usually reflects a more trustworthy service. Next, these are the 7 quality and safety checks I recommend before buying Twitch followers in 2026. This is all based on thorough research and testing, specifically looking at followerspanda.com, which provides these services. Comparing these points takes just a few minutes, but it can help you avoid poor quality services and make a better decision. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I post new Twitch growth guides, reviews, and tutorials every week. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and peace.